So Darius, I know you're living off campus. That
Yeah.
means you're probably cooking and shopping.
Yeah.
Are the Indian markets and the restaurants in Lowell good enough to hold you over?
Yeah, basically you do get all the masalas and all the Indian, what do you say?
Spices.
Yeah, spices stores, probably some, like you get the tin mithais and the
Yeah.
gulab jamun. So they're nice though, but they do have a few restaurants also over here where, you get the Indian buffet
Yeah.
spread out and stuff. But home is home, there's
Yeah.
nothing like that.
Yeah.
So, but you do get everything here, so it's not that bad. You
Alright.
don't really miss home that much.
Yeah. And I know, obviously, you've been here. There's been holidays and events happening. Tell me what you've been doing on campus.
The Indian Student Association has organized a couple of events in the past quarter or so. The recent one was Diwali, where there weren't only Indians, there were a lot of other people who wore some
Yeah.
good ethnic clothes, and they were all there. There was nice home food to eat, and the whole idea of just everyone coming together was nice. It was a fun-filled evening. There was music and food
Dancing.
and dancing.
Yeah.
So it was fun.
Good.
Well, these guys have been organizing the event, and I've been the one who's been enjoying them completely. So I had a really good time at these events that they've been organizing, especially the Diwali festival, and the whole lot of Indian food that we get to eat after such a long time, probably, and then meeting everyone, being in a gathering when everyone is an Indian. So it does really make you feel very comfortable and at home.
And somewhere you
And-
can just speak your own language. and
Exactly.
Everyone
You can
gets
just-
what you're talking. You don't have to put like the American accent on.
It takes you back a little
Yes.
bit.
Totally.
No,
Yeah.
that way the Indian Students Association has been pretty active on campus, and that's how it was easy for me to come into the campus because I got in touch with them before coming, and they provided me with housing information, and they picked me up from the airport. In fact, and I was staying with them till I found my own place, and. Yes, and of course, they took me to the bank as well to open my account. So that way, they're pretty supportive, like towards Indian students, very welcoming, very warm, and they'll always help you. Like till now, I mean, I'm settled now, but I know if I need anything, I can just call one of them, and
Right.
they'll hook me up with someone else. So
Did you just send an email initially, or what was your initial contact?
I
with
got
them?
to know about them through the UML website, because when you
Okay.
go, like the clubs and organizations, they list the ISA down, and then they have a group on Facebook too. So you
Okay.
just join in, and you know the kind of people that are staying here, and then you start emailing them.
Okay.
and
Those
it's
people
pretty
are
nice.
definitely very helpful because they also take you for shopping trips like on their own. Obviously the Navitas people do that as well, but even those
Right.
people do,
Oh,
according
okay.
to the requirements of the Indian students, because they probably don't have that much of an idea what exactly to
Right.
buy for this kind of weather.
Yeah.
But they of course are like
yeah,
really
like
helpful.
they're the ones who told me where I can get my Indian food and
Oh,
all
okay.
the spices and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, they're pretty helpful that way.
Nice.
Yeah.
And so, did you bring your traditional dress with you,
Yeah.
or okay? I saw that.
They all
Yeah,
wore it on
pictures.
Diwali.
We all wore it on Diwali and
Yeah.
the previous festival.
It was actually listed on the website that it's better if you just
Bring.
Yeah, plus you always have these
Plus,
international
yeah.
nights.
Even
Exactly.
for local events, we thought if some cultural event would happen in America, it's good
Yeah.
to showcase what you do back home.
Definitely.
So
Yeah.
so bring in some ethnic stuff and
Cool.
throw it in with everything else.
Yeah.
So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.